I worked offshore for about 15 years. I went from drilling rigs to working on the boats. That's when my accident happened. I was working offshore and I had a set of pallet forks that came off a crane and struck me. We were called to come over at a certain dock and perform, job duties. We were loading up like 9 pallets, liquid mud in bags to take offshore. We got on the 8th one, I loaded it down, everything was fine, and when I got to the 9th one is when everything broke loose. Everything went wrong. The pallet forks were 450 pounds. It came off the hook, and that's when it struck me in the back of the head and neck. I remember screaming out that I can't feel my arms and legs to my captain. I went to the trauma center. It was so strange to me because the doctor come in there and they didn't clean my wound or nothing. They just lifted up my hair and started stapling. And then sent me to a motel room. And I was supposed to be watched for 24 hours, but it never happened. First surgery I had was my neck surgery. And the surgeon nicked my spine, had spinal fluids leakage. Ended up having a feeding tube put in, and ended up having another neck surgery right after that one because I had to take everything out that the surgeon just did. I was really scared. When I got my attorneys, Mr. Holliday and Karatinos, that's been like the highlight of my life for me because it's more than being an attorney from them to me, the way they treat me. Jim's worked with me a lot on my injuries because he knows, he knew a lot of special people, to deal with these types of injuries. And he made sure I got the best help. And he did. They're some of the best doctors I've ever seen. And it's been awesome because that man's a wonderful man. I mean, he's done a lot for me. He knows it, and I will tell him that any day of the week. If it wasn't him, I wouldn't be where I'm at. I don't believe so.